Scholarly sources in criminal justice research. In the field of criminal justice, the quality of research can significantly influence policy decisions, law enforcement practices, and our broader understanding of crime and justice. Using scholarly sources in your research papers is not just a matter of formality, it's crucial for ensuring the accuracy, reliability, and credibility of your work. Scholarly sources provide well-researched, peer-reviewed information that you can trust, and they help to build a solid foundation for your arguments and conclusions. In this guide, we'll explore two major categories of scholarly sources: primary sources in criminal justice literature, such as peer-reviewed journal articles, and primary legal sources, which include case law and statutes. By understanding how to find and use these resources effectively, you'll be better equipped to produce high-quality research papers that contribute valuable insights to the field of criminal justice. Primary sources in criminal justice literature. Primary sources are original, first-hand accounts of events or research studies. In the context of criminal justice, these sources include peer-reviewed journal articles, research reports, and other scholarly publications that present original findings and analyses. Unlike secondary sources, which summarize or interpret existing information, primary sources offer direct evidence and raw data, making them invaluable for rigorous academic research. Primary sources are crucial in criminal justice research because they provide the foundation for credible and authoritative knowledge. These sources help to establish a strong evidentiary basis for arguments, allowing researchers to contribute meaningfully to the field and influence policy and practice. Peer-reviewed journal articles. Peer-reviewed journals are scholarly publications that require articles to be reviewed by experts in the field before they are published. This review process ensures that the research meets high standards of quality, validity, and reliability. It acts as a quality control mechanism, filtering out flawed or unsubstantiated studies and ensuring that only rigorously vetted research is disseminated. Identifying quality journals. One way to identify quality journals is by looking at their impact factors, which measure the frequency with which the average article in a journal has been cited in a particular year. Additionally, if a journal is marked as scholarly in the library's databases, it is likely a reputable source. Checking for this designation in your university library can simplify the process of ensuring that the journals you use are credible and suitable for academic research. Reputable publishers and journal ranking lists. Reputable publishers such as Springer, Elsevier, and Wiley often have rigorous publication standards and are well regarded in the academic community. Accessing peer-reviewed articles. Several databases and search engines specialize in academic literature, making it easier to find peer-reviewed articles. Some of the most widely used databases include JSTOR, PubMed, and Criminal Justice Abstracts. These platforms allow researchers to search for articles by keywords, authors, or topics and provide access to a vast repository of scholarly work. University library resources and interlibrary loans. University libraries often provide access to a wide range of academic journals and databases. If a particular article is not available through the university's subscriptions, interlibrary loan services can be used to request it from other institutions, ensuring that researchers have access to the information they need. Evaluating peer-reviewed articles. When evaluating peer-reviewed articles, it is important to carefully assess the methodology used in the research. Consider whether the study design is appropriate for the research question, whether the sample size is sufficient to draw meaningful conclusions, and whether the methods used are valid and reliable. Examine the conclusions drawn by the authors and consider whether they are supported by the data presented. Assess the implications of the findings for the field of criminal justice and whether the authors have adequately addressed any limitations or potential biases in their study. This evaluation ensures that the conclusions are well-founded and relevant. Checking for biases and conflicts of interest. Finally, it is essential to check for any potential biases or conflicts of interest that might affect the validity of the research. Transparency about funding sources and potential conflicts of interest is important for maintaining the integrity of academic research. Primary legal sources. Primary legal sources are authoritative legal documents that include case law, statutes, regulations, and constitutions. These sources constitute the law itself and provide the official and direct evidence of legal rules and principles. Why are they crucial in criminal justice research? Primary legal sources are essential in criminal justice research because they provide the foundational legal framework within which the criminal justice system operates. Case law. Case law refers to the body of court decisions that interpret and apply laws in specific cases. These judicial opinions set precedents that influence future cases and legal interpretations. Case law is significant because it provides insights into how laws are practically applied and understood within the judicial system. Accessing court opinions and legal databases. Court opinions can be accessed through various legal databases such as Westlaw, LexisNexis, Google Scholar, and public court websites. Google Scholar in particular is a valuable resource for accessing a wide range of court opinions, offering a user-friendly interface and powerful search capabilities. Federal and state statutes. Statutes are laws enacted by legislative bodies, such as Congress or state legislatures. These laws provide the legal rules that govern various aspects of society, including criminal justice. Regulations, on the other hand, are rules issued by administrative agencies based on statutes. Both federal and state statutes are crucial for understanding the legal requirements and prohibitions relevant to criminal justice. Accessing online and in print. Legal codes and regulations can be accessed through official government websites, such as the U.S. Code for Federal Statutes and state legislative websites for state laws. Print versions of legal codes are also available in law libraries. Understanding legal citations and references. Legal citations are used to reference legal documents and sources accurately. Understanding these citations is essential for navigating legal texts and identifying relevant authorities. Common citation formats include those specified by the Blue Book, which provides guidelines for citing court cases, statutes, regulations, and other legal materials. By mastering the use of primary legal sources, criminal justice researchers can ensure that their work is firmly rooted in authoritative legal principles, enhancing the credibility and reliability of their analyses and conclusions. Government documents and official statistics. Government documents include a wide range of publications produced by government agencies, such as policy papers, reports, and legislative materials. Official statistics are data collected and published by government bodies, providing quantitative information on various aspects of society, including crime rates and justice system performance. Their role in criminal justice research. Government documents and official statistics play a crucial role in criminal justice research by offering reliable, authoritative information that helps researchers understand trends, evaluate policies, and make evidence-based decisions. These sources provide comprehensive and systematic data that are essential for analyzing the effectiveness of criminal justice practices and policies. Accessing and interpreting crime reports and data sets. Crime reports and data sets can be accessed through agency websites and databases. For example, the FBI's UCR and the BJS websites offer comprehensive data sets that researchers can download and analyze. Accessing publications from government websites and libraries. Publications from government websites and libraries are readily accessible online. Websites such as the Department of Justice, the National Institute of Justice, and various state and local government portals offer a wealth of policy papers and reports. These resources are essential for researchers seeking in-depth information on specific issues within the criminal justice system. By utilizing government documents and official statistics, researchers can ensure their work is grounded in accurate and comprehensive data, enhancing the validity and impact of their studies. Conclusion. In conclusion, the use of scholarly sources in criminal justice research is essential for producing accurate, reliable, and impactful work. Primary sources in criminal justice literature, such as peer-reviewed journal articles and primary legal sources, including case law and statutes, provide a solid foundation for research. Embracing these scholarly sources will enhance the quality of your research and help advance the discipline of criminal justice.